Hey guys, Luna here. I used to work in a sushi restaurant for 4 or 5 years. I worked as a chef in a sushi restaurant for about 2 years. And this is pretty much how they make their miso soup. So easy. You need this baby here. This is Japanese fish stock. It's quite dry. It's called hondashi, and you can find this in Asian grocery store or even in Amazon. Little pots with some water, and I would say that's about 2 cups of water. And to that, I'm going to add about teaspoon of hondashi. And this is Japanese white miso. You can get it at your local grocery store, even Walmart. I see it everywhere these days. Water started to boil, not when it's rapidly boiling. We're just gonna add all this miso right in, and obviously you can use this and squeeze it down to mix it in the water easier, but you know what? You don't even need to do that. Just stir until it all melts in the water. And this is dry seaweed. We call it dry wakame. And this you can buy at the Walmart or even Amazon or Asian grocery store. If you buy a big bag, only a pinch like this will be plenty for your miso soup. But since my daughter really likes it, I'm gonna add 2 pinch. And literally, this is it. This is the miso soup that you get from sushi restaurant. Not even joking. And if you could, if you will, a little chopped spring onion. You're welcome. And if you're looking for a more delicious home cook idea, I'm the girl. Follow me for more. Luna May. See you later.